Good day, brothers and sisters. This is Mega Comrade. Today's date is Sunday, October 27, 2019. The situation on ground in Benin right now pushed me to come out online. You can see right now I am still doing cleaning in my home. Will be done today. Fortunately, the situation in Benin right now as I speak, I think it's about to 10 p.m. in Benin right now. So the situation on ground in Benin, APC National Chairman Adam Ali Oshomole have struck back. As we speak right now, Oshomole came to Benin with allegedly Oshomole have order, or the president of Nigeria have order. However they did it, I don't know. People have been calling me, begging me, Pa, there's going to be problem, there's going to be war. I don't want to use the language they are using. My own is to make peace. I am the middleman. I am using this media to beg Adam Ali Oshomole. Please, we are begging you. I understand that every action have reaction. As we speak right now, Special Operation Unit Force, Task Force from Abuja, they are on ground in Benin, arresting Governor Godwin Obaseki boys right now as we speak. So I want to beg Edo people, please don't listen to what a lot of people that come online and just round and round and round and round. They just continue to say whatever they want to say. Edo State right now is in chaos, and Governor Godwin Obaseki have lost control of Edo State. That is the fact. I want everyone to share this video. He have lost the control of Edo State. Now we don't want problem. We don't want any life to be lost in Edo State. We are using this opportunity to beg Adam Ali Oshomole. This political war that is going on in Edo State between Governor Godwin Obaseki and APC National Chairman Adam Ali Oshomole, we do not want it. Instead, both of them should just leave the political arena and leave Edo State people in peace. As we speak, Oshomole APC 4+0 Egba squad strike back on Governor Godwin Obaseki 4+4 Togba squad. As about 3 minutes ago, I got that an information that Obaseki boys Togba, they were hiding in some area, deputy governor house, governor and other APC permanent people, they were hiding. Nigeria Police for IG Special Force have unleashed in Edo State. They besieged Edo State, overriding whatever the police in Edo State are doing. As we speak right now, Andrew Momodu is in custody. Allegedly, there's someone they call Andrew Momodu. They said he's a great mobilizer, that is even worse. Andrew Momodu is in custody of Abuja Special Force, and all the boys that Governor Godwin Obaseki are using are running at a scatter. They don't know where to go. This is what I tell people. It's like individual, we cannot fight government. If individual cannot fight a state government, what makes Governor Obaseki think he can fight federal government? It's impossible. This is a losing battle for Governor Godwin Obaseki. Enough of all this party propaganda stuff, from hotel launching to this. I am tired of this. I'm begging you people. I am recovering. I'm begging you people. You people should allow me. Now they have ordered that Togba squad should unleash on State CID Benin City. Nigeria Police headquarters in Benin. They are mobilizing boys right now. They are on State CID gate as I speak. So they said they should scatter everywhere, make sure that nobody is taken to Abuja. However, this is a political war in Edo State. We Edo people, it's time for us to call on both parties for them to leave political arena. To leave political arena. Allegedly, they said they told Obaseki he's going to serve one tenure. Do what you have to do. When you do it good, you serve 2 tenure. And what they told him to do, he's not doing it. We are not seeing, people on ground are not seeing what is happening. Me, myself, we are not seeing what is happening. It's all party. From hotel, they know how to spray money. Now, people that don't have money last 2 years or last year, they are not carry a bunch of money. They go to party and spray, even beer parlor. They are spraying money, spraying Edo State money. Anyhow, that is what the evidence is there. Evidence is everywhere. Evidence is everywhere. You go young if you look what. You go, yeah, one we go young is a party in one horror ball. Yeah, la social media. Yeah, so I'm really go kwa. So tomorrow, I am going to manage to go online. I will be online tomorrow. Everything will be all right. By tomorrow, I am going to explain more detail. Please, if you have your brother, you have a family at home who are supporting Togba or Egba, please call them, make sure they are all right, tell them to go home and sleep. This is a battle that we, the common man, we, the innocent poor citizen, we should not be a part of it. And I told people the other day, when I prophesied that there's a problem coming on social media, that I will not even involve myself in it. I said it. That was about 3 Sundays ago. Social media is on fire. Thank God Almighty, God just removed me from it. If you want to continue to mention an Amigo name, I'm not going to respond to innocent, to nonsense people, nuisance. I consider all these people that are mentioning my name, they are irrelevant. They are irrelevant to what I'm doing. They are not important. Before, I used to think they were a human being. Now I find out that they are completely. I don't know what to call them. I don't know what to call them. So I will not even respond to any of now. So that is it. We are not in one category. I've already more than you people. So that is it. So I'm begging both sides. They should calm down. Mega Comrade just came to make this peace. Please calm down. Please. People that are in state CID, if you are watching me right now, I heard that they are there. Please, no violence. Do not use violence on police. Do not touch anybody. Mind your business. Go home and sleep. Let Governor Obaseki serve his 4 years and go and sleep. So far, Governor Obaseki have not done anything good. In my bed, in your paro no eunia. People when you say one help for Sub-Sahara, you don't take the money go do party. Tomorrow now we call them. How far? How far? I will call them. So nothing good have come out. So hence they said that APC said that they want to destroy those states. They are not the only people in those states. There are other parties there. There's PDP there. Let's forget about Nigeria. Nigeria right now, the only way I don't want to go into detail tomorrow. I love you. God bless you. Bye you. Please call your family. As we are talking right now, Oshiomhole have brought special force. Special police force from Abuja. Edo State is on fire. It's on lockdown right now. The Obaseki Togba people, they decided to say they cannot run. They cannot continue to run. So they are going to stay CID and they are already in stay CID. Okowa de yan mamo gawo wagyan ware yan gbelebie marewa yan danyo diku yan gbelego kwa marewa mamo gawo idandogo hu ya mo ni mama. So far ya mai gbokpe ya mai gboko mama gwalo ma no ma wuyo. So that is it. God bless you. Thank you. I love you. Please watch Mega Comrade tomorrow Monday. Watch Mega Comrade tomorrow, October 28, Monday, October 28, 2019. Share this video. God bless you. Bye you. I love you. And I want to thank those that call me, those that did not call me for this little situation I went through. I thank you. May the Lord Almighty bless your household. I am really, really blessed. I'm not complaining. I love you. God is with me. Not in the we are cleaning now. We are cleaning. I'm tired. So I love you. God bless you. Bye. I love you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is going to be great. It's going to be great.